current hex cost really is $0.032, hex fall 0.29% in 7 days, which fundamentally is very critical. Hex cost examination really is negative today, which especially is genuinely huge. First help level for hex fundamentally is at $0.030, or so they in a real sense thought. 27 November 2023, in this video we will in a real sense walk you through hex cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these regularly, especially clarified some pressing issues, facts, what in a real sense is somewhat momentary cost expectation for hex, especially as hex an especially wise interest in a huge manner. Hex help and opposition levels and so forth, which especially is very critical. In any case, prior to jumping exceptionally profound into the hex specialized examination, by and large let us explicitly discuss the ongoing economic situations, which generally is very critical. Market investigation over the kind of last 24 hours, there explicitly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the extremely whole digital currency market to $1,392,958,938,316, which generally is very huge. The by and large complete exchanging volume sort of stands at $51,887,486,523, which especially shows that the fundamentally all-out exchanging volume basically remains at $51,887,486,523 in a genuinely enormous manner. Bitcoin shares 51.71% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a strength of 16.33%, which truly is very huge. Which especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $36,837.19 level after a decay of 1.95% in an unobtrusive manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum sort of has seen a value reduction of 3.88%, coming to $1,996.24 during the past 24 hours, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $224.02, following a value change of 3.55% within a similar time span, exhibiting that various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a value reduction of 3.88%, coming to $1,996.24 during the past 24 hours, in an essentially enormous manner. XRP, the in every way that really matters, local coin of XRP truly is somewhere near 3.54 and presently exchanging at 60 cents, which generally is genuinely critical. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, or so they certainly thought. These occasions essentially show that the market in every practical sense is going in a sort of descending course for fundamentally present moment, or so they by and large thought. Right now, a genuinely broad extremely bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how XRP, the very local coin of XRP by and large, is somewhere near 3.54 and presently exchanging at 60 cents, or so they sort of thought. Hex help and obstruction backing and opposition generally are significant specialized markers used to basically distinguish commonly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Support is a level at which purchasers certainly become basically more certainly dynamic and in every way that really matters, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they for the most part thought. Similarly, obstruction certainly is a level at which vendors truly become move especially dynamic and in a real sense, prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how hex cost examination for the most part is negative today. Following for the most part are the help and obstruction levels of hex execution. The day-to-day outline of hex basically shows that the hex value sort of has a by and large descending development, with a 1.19% decline in truly beyond 24 hours, showing how XRP, the truly local coin of XRP, truly is somewhere near 3.54 and as of now exchanging at 60 cents in a very significant manner. The value worth of the hex coin essentially is remaining at $0.032, with market capitalization $5,584,394,461 United States dollars, which especially shows that various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a value reduction of 3.88%, coming to $1,996.24 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. Hex cost changes 0.29% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume especially is drifting around $3,738,949 United States dollars, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Hex Value Examination Hex Cost Investigation for 27 November 2023, inside and in every practical sense, day-to-day time span, certainly made sense of underneath, showing that Bitcoin shares 51.71% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a predominance of 16.33%, which especially is very huge. We utilize truly relative strength index RSI, moving truly normal combination and difference, MACD. Backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including commonly basic moving certainly normal, SMA, and outstanding moving commonly normal, EMA, to truly dissect the future development of the hex, showing that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $224.02. Following a value change of 3.55% within a similar time period, exhibiting that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every practical sense, has seen a value reduction of 3.88%, coming to $1,996.24 during the past 24 hours, which generally is genuinely critical. The MACD line is remaining beneath of the really signal line after a hybrid genuinely further appearance, how hex cost investigation by and large is negative today, which generally is genuinely critical. Hex financial backers need to really hang tight for any directional change over the day-to-day diagram, so market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there basically was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the very whole digital currency market to $1,392,958,938,316 in an unobtrusive manner. Hex really has certainly the closest opposition of $0.036, exhibiting how hex cost changes 0.29% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume in a real sense is drifting around $3,738,949 United States dollars in an essentially significant manner. A bullish breakout in this obstruction level would especially support the upswing energy, showing that a bullish breakout in this opposition level would basically help the upturn force, or so they basically thought. The purchasers could then focus on the opposition R2 set at $0.039, or so they for the most part thought. On the other hand, in the event that the financial backers by and large betray the hex, the really bears could handle the market and most certainly take hex cost underneath the pivotal help level of $0.030 in an especially significant manner. While Hex's Williams percent R pointer truly is a 23.818 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange, certainly signal fundamentally is especially conceivable at this reach, which generally shows that market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there really was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole digital currency market to $1,392,958,900.